Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy. I'm Mrs. Sarah Shakil and I welcome you in your fourth online class. Our lesson name is Cells, Tissues and Organs and this is part 4. Before we begin our new topic, let's revise what we have learned in our previous class. Organ system, a group of organs that work together to carry out certain job or function is called an organ system. Human organ system. All organs have specific functions and jobs to do. Human organ systems are skeletal system, excretory system, circulatory system, nervous system, digestive system and respiratory system. Children, today our topic is plant's organ. Plant organs. The main plant organs are flowers, stems, leaves and roots. Here you can see in the picture the structure of plant. Flower, this is leaf, stem and roots, and roots have root hairs. Plant organs are divided into two systems, shoot system and root system. Shoot system, flowers, leaves and stems, and in root system there are roots. Here in the picture you can see this part is called shoot system and this part is called root system. Flowers. We all are going to discuss the first part of the shoot system. This is called flower. The flower contains the plant's reproductive organ. Many flowers attract insects which carry pollen between plants to bring out pollination and fertilization. Let's see what is pollination. Insects carry pollen from one flower to another. This is called pollination. In this picture you can see pollens. दोनों फ्लावर्स में पॉलन पाए जाते हैं, पॉलन ग्रेन, और आप देख रहे हैं कि ये जितना फ्लावर कलरफुल होता है उतना ही इंसेक्ट जो है वो उसको अट्रैक्ट करता है. जब इंसेक्ट एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर पर जाता है तो उसके साथ पॉलन जो है वो स्टिक होते हैं, तो इस तरह पॉलिनेशन यानी क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन होती है. Let's see what fertilization. Fertilization means forming of a new plant. Stem. Stem is the second part of shoot system. In the picture you can see this is stem. The stem usually grows upward toward the light. It carries water and mineral salts to the leaves and food around the plant. Stem conduct water. Mineral salts are present in water. It works like a pipeline. जैसे हमारे घर में पाइपलाइंस हैं, ऐसे ही स्टेम का काम जो है वो पाइपलाइन की तरह है कि पूरे घर में वाटर सप्लाई करना. Leaves. Leaves are also a part of shoot system. The leaves are the organ of photosynthesis. Leaves makes all the food for the plant. The leaves contain chlorophyll, which uses light to change carbon dioxide and water into the glucose. Leaves have tiny pores on their underside. These tiny pores are called stomata. लीफ जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा क्या करता है, हमारे लिए हेल्प करता है फोटोसिंथेसिस में. एंड यू नो फोटोसिंथेसिस क्या है? द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग फूड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट इज़ कॉल्ड फोटोसिंथेसिस. और लीफ के अंडर साइड पे छोटे 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 टाइनी पोर्स होते हैं जिनको हम स्टोमेटा कहते हैं. Roots. It works like an anchor. The root anchor the plant in the soil so that it does not blow away or fall over by an accident. Roots have root hair. They provide a large surface area to take in water and mineral salts. Root hair absorbs water and mineral salt from the soil. इनका क्या काम है कि मिट्टी के अंदर से वाटर और मिनरल सॉल्ट्स को एब्जॉर्ब करना. और रूट्स, या यू कैन सी द रूट्स, रूट के साथ छोटे 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 हेयर्स बने होते हैं जिनको रूट हेयर कहा जाता है. और रूट जो है वो पौधे को मजबूती फराहम करती है. In this picture you can see the relationship between cell, tissues, organs and the whole plant. Cells make tissues, tissues make an organ, and organs make organ system. An organ system forms the whole plant. Remember the sequence as we have learnt in our first and second class. Cells make tissues, tissues make an organ, and organs make an organ system. Palisade cells. Palisade cells are mostly found in the top surface of leaves. They have a lot of extra chloroplast to trap sunlight and carry out photosynthesis. Here you can see palisade cells make tissues, then tissues make an organ, and here a leaf is an organ. Then leaves, or you can say an organ, make a whole plant. Leaves and other organs make up a whole plant. You can see in the diagram, these are the palisade cells and the green ones are chloroplast. Children, it's time for your homework. You have to do your homework on school copies. Do all the work on school copies, and after completing it, send it in the school so we can check your copies. Yes, question number 1. Name plant organs and explain them. You have to explain them in 2 lines, not point wise, okay? Question number 2. Show with the help of diagram the relationship of cells, tissues, organs and whole plant. Again, I am telling you, you have to do this work on your school copies. Thank you, children. Thanks for listening. Stay home. Stay safe.